Good morning, students. Welcome to online education. Myself Vinod Trivedi. Today we are going to discuss present perfect tense. In previous chapter, we have discussed about simple present tense and present continuous tense. You can justify by seeing the formation of the tenses also. Now we are going to discuss about third tense. Present perfect tense. In the beginning, I told you there are different between all kind of action. Just like I teach English, I am teaching English, I have taught English. Okay, the action is regarding teaching, but every action have been done in different time. Suppose I tell I teach English, it means this is my profession, this is my work. I am teaching English, it means right now I am teaching, my class is going on. And suppose if I am going to tell I have taught English, it means what? The action of teaching got over. Now we are going to discuss about present perfect tense. Let's see the use of the present perfect tense. Use the present perfect tense expresses such action which action has been completed in the nearest past time, but the effect of the action is going on. Make sure, students, you have to keep this in your mind. The present perfect tense expresses such action which action has been completed nearest past. Okay, recently. But the effect of the action is going on. Okay, if you want to make any difference between present continuous tense and present perfect tense, so what is the difference between it? Present continuous tense expresses the action which is going on right now. Okay, but over here in present perfect tense, the action is completed, but only what is going on? Only effect. So you have to keep this in mind. Okay, effect of the action is going on in present perfect tense. Then we are going to discuss about formation of assertive sentence. Formation of assertive sentences: subject plus have, has, with three, object. Subject, have or has, with three, and object. Okay, when we will use have and when we will use has, just keep this in your mind over here. Suppose your subject is I, we, you, they, or plural noun. Plural noun means what? Students, farmers. Okay, any of them. For them, you have to utilize have. And suppose if your subject is he, she, it, or singular noun. Singular noun means the name of any person, any place. Okay. Ramesh, Rajesh, any of them, Christy. Okay, you will utilize Now we are trying to understand this tense with some sentences. Number one, we are repeating the same sentences so you can have clear guts about that tense also. Virat has played good cricket. Okay. All time we try to make difference. Earlier we wrote, okay, Virat is playing good cricket. Then before, Virat plays good cricket. Over here is what? Virat has played good cricket means Virat has made good run, otherwise Virat has made 1 century. Okay, so that kind of action is narrated in present perfect tense. Okay, now next, Mr. Patel has taught maths. It means the class of maths is over. Okay, it shows this thing. Then they have played Kho-Kho. So by this way you can make sentence of present perfect tense. Now we are going to discuss negative sentence. Negative sentences. Form of the negative sentence. What will be there? Subject plus have, has plus not plus V3 plus object. The same sentence we are going to discuss. Number one, Virat has not played good cricket. Over here, what does it mean? Suppose because of any reason he has not performed well in particular match. It doesn't mean Virat does not play good. But over here, because of any of reason, okay, he has not given good performance in particular match. Number next, Mr. Patel has not taught maths. यहाँ भी आपको ये ध्यान में रखना बेटा, बिकॉज ऑफ एनी रीजन मिस्टर पटेल ने मैथ्स की क्लास नहीं ली. ओके, एक्शन जो है वो खत्म हो जाती है और इसकी इफेक्ट दिखा रहे हैं. नंबर 10, they have not played Kho-Kho. Okay, because of rain. Okay, anything you can put over here. Then next, we are going to discuss about the interrogative sentences. Interrogative have or has, any of them. Then subject plus V3 plus object and question mark. Turn 3 sentences into interrogative just like that. Number 1, has Virat played good cricket? Okay, anyone ask me. Number next, has Mr. Patel taught maths? Question mark. Now next, have they played kho-kho and question mark. Okay, this is non-WH question marks sentences. You can make interrogative WH, what, when, where. Okay, by this way you can utilize. Over here we have discussed present perfect tense. Okay friends, now after finishing present perfect tense, we are going to discuss about present perfect continuous tense. Now you have to become more careful and you have to become more punctual for understanding this tense. Okay, as much as we are going to discuss next tense, we have more, we need more basic knowledge regarding it. Present perfect, over here perfect it means over and continuous it means something is going on. By which way we can make? By saying use. We are going to discuss use. The present perfect continuous tense expresses such action which action started in the past time. And the action is going on in present time. Students, now you have to be careful about this thing. The action of present perfect continuous tense which started in past time but still it is going on. It means present perfect continuous tense expresses duration. Okay, duration. Suppose if I am giving you example, I teach English, it means this is my profession. But if I say I have been teaching English since 2005, okay, तो 2005 से लेके आज तक जो ड्यूरेशन दिखा रहा है, सपोज इफ यू वांट टू नैरेट इट, सो विच टेंस शुड बी यूटिलाइज्ड बाय यू? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस. जब आपको कोई भी टेंस का ड्यूरेशन दिखाना है, कोई भी एक्शन का ड्यूरेशन दिखाना है, तो आपको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस में सेंटेंस लिखना पड़ेगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू सम टाइम एरर रिगार्डिंग इट. सिंस इज अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. Suppose I am telling you time error over here. Since point of time for period of time. Since shows exactly point of time, particular year or like this, and for duration. Suppose if I am saying I have been teaching English for 6 years or for 5 years, so there is no clarification from which date to which year or which year to which another year. We cannot have a clarification. Okay, only duration. And suppose if I say I have been teaching English since 2005. It means from 2005, okay, my action of teaching English is going on. Okay, so keep this in your mind whenever you want to utilize duration. Okay, you have to use present perfect continuous tense. After saying and after understanding present perfect continuous tense, now we have to think the formation by which way you can form the sentences. Form of assertive sentence subject plus have has, subject have has, then been, B-E-E-N, been, verb with ing, then object. Okay, by this way you have to make the sentence of present perfect continuous tense. The same sentences we are going to discuss, so because you have a clear idea about the sentence, like this way: Virat has been playing good cricket. Over here, the meaning of this sentence is, suppose if you want to say, otherwise if you put any adverb, Virat has been playing good cricket for 6 hours. It means the action, the duration is going on in present perfect continuous tense. Mr. Patel has been teaching maths. Okay, suppose if you want to put any adverb, you can replace. Then they have been playing Kho-Kho. Okay, for 5 hours you can put there. Okay, this is the formation of the assertive sentence. Now we are going to discuss negative sentences. Formation: subject plus have, otherwise has, plus not, plus been, then verb with ing, then object. Okay, you have to follow this pattern. Same sentence will be repeated. Just you think by your own way which way you can make. Virat has not been playing good cricket. Okay. Number next, Mr. Patel has not been teaching maths. Now next, they have not been playing Kho-Kho. Okay, by this way you can convert into negative. Now interrogative sentences. Write down pattern of the negative sentences as well as remaining sentences. We are going to make interrogative sentences of the present perfect continuous tense. By which way? First of all, we make formation: have, has, then subject, then been, verb ing, and object. Has Virat been playing cricket? Just keep focus on formation. Have a subject with verb ing, object and question mark. So has Virat been playing good cricket? Next, has Mr. Patel been teaching maths? Question mark. And the third one, have they been playing Kho-Kho? Question mark. Okay. By this way, you can turn into interrogative. We have seen four part of the simple means present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Suppose if you have any query or doubt, okay, you can make a call on number is given. Okay, thank you.